Reparations is not just a financial issue, it's a moral and legal imperative. It's about addressing past wrongs, healing the wounds of history, and restoring dignity and justice. But what exactly does this moral framework look like? And how do we, as a society, navigate the legal pathways to make reparations a reality? The case for reparations is grounded in a deep moral responsibility to right the wrongs of the past. It's about acknowledging the harm done, offering restitution to those harmed, and creating an opportunity for healing. There are three key ethical arguments for reparations: justice, restitution, and healing. Justice demands accountability for past injustices. Restitution calls for reparations in the form of compensation to restore what was lost. Healing speaks to the need to repair the damage done to the Black community's psyche and well-being, as well as the ongoing trauma from systemic oppression. The government and society at large have a moral duty to address these past wrongs. For too long, America has ignored the debt it owes to the descendants of enslaved Africans, and this moral responsibility cannot be dismissed. It's not just about offering apologies or symbolic gestures, it's about substantive actions that make amends for the stolen labor, lost lives, and the enduring economic and social harm caused by slavery and its aftermath. The push for reparations is not new. The idea of compensating descendants of enslaved people has a long history, dating back to the Reconstruction era. One of the earliest proposals was the promise of 40 acres and a mule, a policy that was never fully realized, but one that is still a symbol of the justice that should have been done. In modern times, H.R. 40, a bill introduced in Congress, is one of the most notable attempts to address reparations through legal means. It calls for a study into the effects of slavery and racial discrimination, laying the groundwork for more comprehensive solutions. Today, reparations bills continue to be introduced in Congress and local governments, though we've yet to see a national reparations plan fully implemented. These proposals range from direct cash payments to land grants, educational opportunities, and wealth-building initiatives. Some local governments, such as Evanston, Illinois, have already taken steps toward reparations by providing housing assistance to Black residents. The key to moving forward is not just passing laws, it's ensuring that reparations go beyond symbolic gestures to address the systemic inequities that continue to affect Black Americans. The moral and legal case for reparations is clear, but the path to achieving it requires all of us to get involved. Whether it's advocating for legislation like H.R. 40 or supporting local reparations programs, we all have a role to play in ensuring that the injustices of the past are finally rectified. In the next video, we'll look at the potential solutions for reparations and what those could look like in practice. If you believe in the cause of reparations, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video to keep the conversation going.